When it comes to home security, your windows are one of the most vulnerable entry points. For Columbia homeowners, investing in secure residential windows is a crucial step in protecting your family, property, and belongings. Whether you're replacing old windows or upgrading for added safety, there are several security features to consider. Here are the top window security features that can help make your Columbia home more secure. Reinforced window frames. The strength and durability of your window frames play a major role in overall security. Weak or deteriorating frames can make it easier for intruders to force their way into your home. Durable materials. Opt for frames made of strong materials like fiberglass, aluminum, or reinforced vinyl, which are more resistant to break-ins compared to older, weaker frames. Secure installation. A strong frame is only effective if it's properly installed. Professional window installation ensures that frames are tightly secured and difficult to tamper with. Multi-point locking system. Standard window locks often provide limited security, as they can be easily manipulated or bypassed. Multi-point locking systems offer enhanced security by engaging multiple locking points along the window frame, making it much more difficult for intruders to open the window. Added resistance. Multi-point locks provide additional resistance to forced entry, deterring would-be intruders. Easy operation. Despite their complexity, multi-point locking systems are easy for homeowners to operate, offering a convenient blend of security and usability. Tempered and laminated glass. Glass is often the most vulnerable part of a window. Tempered and laminated glass options offer increased security by being more resistant to breaking compared to standard glass. Tempered glass. Tempered glass is heat-treated to increase its strength. If broken, it shatters into small, blunt pieces, reducing the risk of injury and making it harder for intruders to gain entry. Laminated glass. Laminated glass consists of layers of glass bonded together with a plastic interlayer. Even when shattered, the glass remains in place, creating a barrier that's difficult to penetrate. Window security film. Security window film is a cost-effective way to add an extra layer of protection to your existing windows. The film is applied directly to the glass, making it more resistant to shattering and delaying forced entry attempts. Invisible protection. Security film is clear and does not affect the appearance of your windows or obstruct your view. UV protection. Many security films also block harmful UV rays, protecting your interior furnishings from fading while enhancing security. Window bars and grills. For homeowners seeking maximum security, window bars and grills offer a physical barrier that makes it nearly impossible for intruders to access your windows. Customizable designs. Modern window bars and grills come in various styles and designs, allowing you to enhance security without sacrificing curb appeal. Deterrent effect. The presence of window bars or grills can deter potential burglars, as they pose an additional obstacle to gaining entry. Keyed locks and window stops. Adding keyed locks or window stops to your windows provides another layer of security, preventing unauthorized individuals from opening your windows from the outside. Keyed locks. Keyed locks require a key to open, making it more difficult for intruders to manipulate the lock. Window stops. Window stops limit how far a window can be opened, making it harder for intruders to gain access and providing added safety for children. Motion sensor technology. Integrating motion sensors with your windows can alert you to any attempts to tamper with or open your windows. Motion sensor alarms can be set to trigger lights, alert homeowners, or notify security systems. Immediate alerts. Motion sensors can provide instant alerts if a window is disturbed, allowing you to take immediate action. Smart integration. Many motion sensors can be connected to smart home security systems, enabling remote monitoring and control via a smartphone app. Casement windows with crank handle. Casement windows, which open outward using a crank handle, offer a unique security advantage. When the window is closed, the crank mechanism creates a tight seal that's difficult to manipulate from the outside. Tamper-resistant design. Casement windows are inherently more resistant to break-ins compared to sliding windows or single-hung windows. Secure locking points. Most casement windows feature multiple locking points for added security. Impact-resistant windows for storm protection. In Colombia's weather can be unpredictable, with occasional storms and high winds. Impact-resistant windows are designed to withstand strong forces, providing not only storm protection but also increased security against forced entry. Shatter-resistant. Even if the glass cracks, impact-resistant windows are designed to stay intact, making it challenging for intruders to gain entry. Insurance benefits. Many insurance companies offer discounts for homes with impact-resistant windows due to their added security and weather protection. Professional installation for maximum security. The best security features are only as effective as their installation. Hiring professional window installers in Colombia ensures that your windows are properly fitted, sealed, and reinforced for maximum security. Expert fit. Professional installation eliminates gaps, misalignments, and weak points that could be exploited by intruders. Quality assurance. Certified installers follow industry best practices, ensuring that your windows provide the level of security you expect. Final thought. Enhancing the security of your residential windows in Colombia is a smart investment that protects your home, loved ones, and belongings. From reinforced frames and multi-point locks to impact-resistant glass and professional installation, there are numerous options to keep your home safe. Take the time to assess your home's needs and work with a trusted professional to implement the security features that best fit your lifestyle and budget. With the right security measures in place, you can enjoy greater peace of mind and a safer, more secure home.